Welcome to your beginner gym workout guide. If you are new to the gym, feeling nervous, or unsure where to start, you are in the right place. Today, I will walk you through a simple, safe, and effective gym routine designed especially for beginners. This workout will help you build strength, improve your fitness, and gain confidence in the gym. You do not need to be in perfect shape to begin. You just need to take the first step. Let's get started. What you will need. Before you begin, make sure you have a few basic gym essentials. Bring a water bottle so you can stay hydrated. Bring a towel to wipe sweat and keep equipment clean. Wear comfortable clothes that allow you to move freely. Wear proper gym shoes with good support. Most importantly, bring a positive mindset. Everyone starts somewhere, and every workout is progress. Now that you're ready, let's warm up. Warming up prepares your muscles and joints for exercise. It also reduces your risk of injury. Start with 5 minutes of walking on the treadmill or slow cycling. Keep your posture tall. Relax your shoulders. Breathe naturally. After 5 minutes, move into dynamic stretches. Begin with arm circles. Circle your arms forward for 30 seconds. Then circle them backward for 30 seconds. Next, do leg swings. Swing one leg forward and back 10 times, then switch legs. Now gently twist your upper body from side to side. This loosens your spine and core. Your body is now warm and ready for strength training, so let us get into our first strength workout. This beginner workout uses machines and dumbbells. Move slowly and focus on proper form. Take a short rest between each set. Leg press. Start with the leg press machine. Sit down and place your feet shoulder-width apart on the platform. Push the weight away using your legs. Slowly bend your knees to return. Do 2 sets of 10 repetitions. This exercise strengthens your thighs and glutes. Chest press. Move to the chest press machine. Sit with your back flat against the pad. Push the handles forward until your arms are extended. Slowly bring them back. Do 2 sets of 10 repetitions. This works your chest, shoulders, and arms. Lat pull down. Now go to the lat pull down machine. Grab the bar with a wide grip. Pull it down toward your chest. Slowly release it upward. Do 2 sets of 10 repetitions. This strengthens your back and improves posture. Dumbbell curls. Pick up a pair of light dumbbells. Stand tall with your arms by your sides. Curl the dumbbells up toward your shoulders. Lower them slowly. Do 2 sets of 10 repetitions. This works your biceps. Shoulder press. Sit or stand with dumbbells at shoulder height. Push the weights upward until your arms are straight. Lower them slowly. Do 2 sets of 10 repetitions. This strengthens your shoulders and arms. Cardio. Cardio improves your heart health and burns calories. Choose a machine you enjoy, such as the treadmill, bike, or elliptical. Move at a pace where you can still talk, but feel slightly out of breath. Continue for 10 minutes. Focus on your breathing and keep moving. Cool down and stretch. Slow down and bring your heart rate back to normal. Stretch your legs, arms, back, and shoulders. Hold each stretch for 15 to 20 seconds. Breathe deeply and relax your body. Cooling down helps prevent soreness and improves flexibility. You have just completed your beginner gym workout. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. Start slow, stay patient, and keep showing up. Every workout makes you stronger. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share. You've got this.